Hi guys, this is Mbali's mom talking. This is Mbali, my daughter. We both live with bipolar. Here today we are feeling manic, so we decided with the energy that is temporarily there, we need to utilize it to clean the house. You'll notice that the house is a lot of a mess because we've been depressed for days without tidying up after ourselves. Um, This side, this is me, her waking me up because we planned the day before that we are going to clean. So this is me cleaning the house, you cleaning my bedroom. You will notice that everything is all over the place. It's not easy, guys, to be bipolar. You feel like it's a mission to even make up your bed. I'm making up my bed today, but I think it's been a week without making my bed. So I'm sure my bed is even surprised today. What is happening? So it's not easy to live with bipolar because the easiest things like domestic chores, to us, they are a mission. Sometimes you make food, you go to the bedroom to eat, you don't even sit in the living room for days when you're in a depressive mode. So now here we are cleaning for all the days we were depressed. Cleaning is a mission. Cleaning is a mission. We sometimes wish we had someone to take care of all the basic house chores, but also money determines what you can have at a certain given time. So you sometimes you put everything in one place. You go you go and take a bath. The clothes we're wearing, it's a mission to even put them inside the washing basket. You will see the shoes on the floor there. They were worn for the past days and they were put there instead of rearranging them. So here, this is my daughter. She's putting water for us to bath. We have planned our day so well the previous day. And remember, because we are manic, we couldn't sleep. We already had anxiety of the following day. We couldn't sleep because we had mixed the emotions. We had anxiety also. We were excited for the following day. So here she's putting water for us so that we can start bathing and be ready for the day. Um, the feeling of anxiety, it's very difficult because I think I slept for a few hours, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours. Imagine that is not a good sleep. So even on days where you are manic, it's not all roses. It's not all roses. So here, she's tidying the kitchen. She's tidying the kitchen. We have divided the chores so that we can finish fast and also go and start our day so well. So remember, there's a lot of work to be done since it's work for days. So it's not easy. You have to move everything that is movable, then clean properly because we don't know when are we going to be energetic again. So we are cleaning for the upcoming days when depression hits. So the one who's passing is my niece. She's not helping us with cleaning. The day she cleans, she will be telling me that when she grows up, she will be a domestic worker because she's qualified. That's the day she tidies and then wipes the kitchen tops. Then she will say she qualifies to be a domestic worker. So I sometimes ask her to just sweep, mop, and wipe the kitchen tops when we are very depressed, so that at least the house doesn't look like we are depressed. So if you can look at that black plastic bin, those are the clothes. Those are the clothes, dirty clothes. We have a washing machine, but we have not been washing them. Instead of putting them that all the washing baskets are full. So some of the clothes I put them there. So the day I have energy again, that's when I will wash loads and loads of washing. Sometimes when I'm energetic, I wash, and then because it will be a lot of washing, I do not iron, I do not pack. So I keep it inside black plastics and keep it inside my wardrobe for the days I'm feeling much better again so that I can iron and pack. But guys, everything is just a mission. Everything is just a mission. Some of you will look at this and say, this is a very small house. There's nothing to worry about here. You can clean within 30 minutes. For us, it's a mission, guys. It's a mission. It's like you're going to do a lot of work. It's like you're going to do a lot of work. So remember, bipolar is a disability. Some people will just say to you, it's all in your mind. If it was in my mind, I was just going to change my mindset, guys, and live a normal life. This is not a normal life. Doctors declare it as a disability. So it means no matter how I'm trying to be positive, there is a what chemical imbalance or whatever in the brain that makes our mind to switch from high to low. And if we are stable, I don't even know what stability is. I don't even know what normal is. To me, manic sounds like it's my new normal. Because with depression, it becomes very difficult. You can't even lift a finger. I'm not talking about taking a bath. I'm not talking about changing the clothes. I'm not talking about making a bed. I'm talking about lifting your head, waking up from your bed. I would sometimes even sleep and even dream as if I've woken up, I've cooked, I'm eating. So it would be my brain telling me I should be eating. So here we are mopping, we are using pine gel um, for cleaning. Some people use the various things, but I use pine gel for mopping the floors. Okay, guys, I'm going to hand over to my daughter, Mbali.
Hello guys, this is Umbali and I'm living with a bipolar disability. Bipolar disability is a mental disorder. As my mom has been saying, it's not an easy thing to live with bipolar. To be quite honest, I wasn't manic. She was on this day. I am not manic. I am highly depressed. I did half the work and she did the rest of it. And most of the time, it's my mom who does the cleaning, who does the cooking, and yeah, and here is us right here after bathing and getting ready to go to the mall. Anyways, guys, this bipolar is a disability. Sometimes I don't want to bath, I don't want to brush my teeth, I don't want to talk. Sometimes I feel so hopeless that I want to unalive myself. That's how bad it can get. It's your brain working against yourself. So here it's we're on our way to Mainland Mall to do some shopping and watch a little bit of a movie and just to treat ourselves because we hardly ever go out. Let me tell you about bipolar. You don't even go out. You don't even get out of the house. Sometimes it's work to even open the windows to let some fresh air in. Let me tell you about getting out of the house and opening the door and getting some sun. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Sometimes you don't go out for a week. Plus, I'm currently unemployed. So all I can do when I'm in a depressive episode for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks maximum, even a month max, I would not even go out of the house or to get the sun on my skin. That's how bad it can get. So when we finally go out, guys, it's a refreshing feeling. It's like you are alive again. This is what normal people do. They get out, they go out, go shopping. Even if it's window shopping, it's okay. That's actually being alive. That's being normal. For us, that's not normal. 3, 4 months can pass by without us going out, only to buy groceries and come back. In 2024, was it 20? No, it wasn't 2024. It was 2020. Yeah, it was 2024, beginning of 2024, when I was diagnosed with bipolar type 1. It was so bad that I was put on olanzapine, and that's what made me gain so much weight. That's a treatment for bipolar type 1. I would not get out of bed. I would just order food. My mom would give me an allowance, and with all the allowance that I had, I would not cook. I would not get out of bed. I would buy junk food every single day until my allowance was finished, and I would not cook healthy food. That's how bad it can get, guys. We want to be normal. If we could be normal, we could do it in a day. So if you have any of these symptoms, I would suggest you consult a doctor, a psychologist, a psychiatrist, something, if you have these symptoms. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Watch out for the second